I just got home. Did you stop by earlier? That's it? You didn't do anything else? Like, oh, I don't know. Knock over my model airplane on your way out? You always leave traces behind. I told you this before. Don't worry. Every screw is exactly where it should be. I'm almost insulted you even asked. But yes, I did. It's in the jacket you left behind. I put the camera there just so I can make sure you're safe and sound. What, are you still a little grumpy pants even when I play along? Okay, so the real answer is that I noticed one of the parts of the model was backwards. You can't tell just by looking at it. It's only obvious when you do a flight test. The engines at the bottom get jammed after a few rotations because of that part, so the plane can't fly very far. Theoretically, yes, except that part is on the bottom. Fixing it requires us to disassemble everything above it. We basically have to rebuild the whole thing. And that's why the moral of the story is to always read the instructions carefully before assembling a model. It wasn't in vain, though. Even if it can't fly very far, it'll still work as a regular toy plane at home. You have to make quite the trip, you know. And you're doing it just so you can work on a model airplane? That's a bit much. It's nothing too fancy. I found a good scenic route the other day. If we head out in the evening, we can enjoy the sunset while we walk. How did you manage to connect everything back to that model airplane? I was messing around earlier. Don't worry about it. How far it can fly doesn't really matter, to be honest. Besides, it doesn't want to fly too far away when it's with you.